in the realm of the spirit, in the realm of the spirit,
in the realm of the spirit,
I feel something. I feel something. I feel something.
I feel something.
Umukozi w'Imana
Is it the same God?
aramenya iyo agomba kurekura akantu gato
It's about to release a small
n'igihe
part.
agomba kurekura ikintu
When it's
kinini.
about to release something deep.
Igihe Yesu yaragiye
When
kusura
Jesus was going to resurrect,
yarahejeje kwaktiva ubushobozi bwinshi
to activate much
kuko
power,
yaragiye kuzura
because he wanted to raise
ageze mu
somebody.
nzira ujya mudamu
That
yari
woman,
gukora ku ikanzu ya Yesu
she should tap
uwundi
on the
munsi
cloak of Jesus.
ntiyari
another
kuronga
day.
ijya rezida.
She could not have certain results.
Yesu Kristo
Oh, Jesus
yaragiye
Christ.
kuzura
He was in his way going to
yamaze
resurrect.
kwaktiva
He activated
ubushobozi bwo kuzura.
that power of resurrection.
Yesu Kristo
Oh, Jesus
yaragiye
Christ
kuzura
was going to resurrect somebody.
yarahejeje kwaktiva
He came to activate
ubushobozi bwo kuzura.
the power of
Now
resurrection.
listen this. Listen this. Ujya munsi
That day,
ujya mu mama
that
yari
woman,
guhura na Yesu
she could meet
uwundi
with
munsi
Jesus on another
ntibyari
day.
gukoreka kujya
It could not be
kuko
done
iyo
such a
umukozi
way.
w'Imana
Because servant of
agomba
God
kurekura ikintu kinini
is about to release something.
ariko nabyumva muri
There
we
is someone can feel
abamama
it.
baraza kubitahura
Women, they're going to
kuko
understand.
uteruye amahasa
Because the one who carries
sicyo
twins,
kimwe n'uteruye umwana umwe
same as the one who carries one person.
uteruye udushuri
The one who carries twins,
sicyo kimwe n'uteruye umwana umwe.
not just the one who carries one
n'umuntu
child.
ateruye umwana
But a person carries a child
w'ibiro bibiri
of 2
sicyo
kilograms.
kimwe n'uteruye umwana
Not the same as the one who carries
uteruye umwana
a
w'ibiro
child
itanu
of 5 kilograms.
ukuntu aremerwa arabyumva.
You can feel the
Yesu
heaviness.
Kristo
Now Jesus Christ,
yamaze kwaktiva
He activated
ubuzima
already
bwo kuzura.
the life of
ujya
resurrection.
mu mama
That woman,
acamenya umunsi wo
to recognize,
acakora ku ikanzu ya Yesu.
she touched on Jesus in
ndagomba
love.
kubwira ikintu
About the
Yesu
power.
aravuga ngo
Jesus said,
numvise ubushobozi
I felt the power.
bumvamo numvise ubushobozi
I felt the power
busohokamo
coming out of
bisigura ngo
it. It means
Yesu Kristo
Jesus
yari
Christ
kwarakarikira
was
avuga ngo ibyo ngiye gukora sinshaka ko haba umuntu n'umwe agabanya na gatoya.
everybody to
Yesu Kristo yari sensible
on Jesus was
apana gusa ku bantu yari sensible ku byo agiye gukora. Urashobora guhura n'abantu benshi ariko ukaba uteruye ikintu cy'umuntu umwe.
you carry something of one person.
Urashobora guhura n'abantu benshi
You may meet somebody
ariko ukaba uteruye ikintu cy'umuntu umwe.
carry something of somebody.
nta n'umunsi n'umwe
No single day.
twigeze kumva Yesu avuga ngo numvise ubushobozi busohokamo.
I felt the power.
Bisigura ngo muri uwo mwanya yari asize umutima mu bushobozi yari ateruye kuko yari agiye kuzura.
You are watching Prophet of Jesus Joshua online. If you are blessed, make sure to subscribe
on YouTube channel Joshua Prophet of Jesus and on Facebook Prophet of Jesus Joshua.
for more updates. Stay tuned. Welcome.